Hello everyone, so I am Marcosian Palayok, a political science student, and here I'm going to demonstrate the five basic badminton skills. And before that, I want us to know that badminton is a outdoor or indoor activity wherein you enjoy playing badminton. And kadalasang nilalaro siya in a rectangular plexus. So ito na nga. Merong dalawang badminton equipment which is the racket and also the shuttlecock. So yun po. And let's go to the five basic badminton skills. So let's go.
Forehead grip. Hold the racket like a handshake with the V shape of your thumb and index finger on the right side handle. This is used for most overrated and footwork shots. Backhand grip. Thumb press on the flat side on the angle handle used for shots on the non-racket sides. Ready stance. The ready stance is your basic waiting position. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Hold the racket in front of the wrist level. Keep your body weight on the balls of your feet so you can move quickly. Service that has two types. Short service, a gentle shot that makes the shuttle land close to the net of the opponent's side. Long service, a high in deep shots that sends the shuttle to the back of the opponent's court. Strokes, which has four types. The clear, drop, dive, and smash. Clear, a high shots that goes to the deep of the back court. Drop, soft shot that cross over the net. Dive, a fast and flat shot across the net. And smash, the most powerful shot. Last but not the least, the footwork. Footwork is how you move quickly and efficiently around the court. Always return to the center or base position after each shot. Use quick, light steps to move forward, backward, and sideways. Good footwork help you to reach the shuttle on time and stay balanced for the accurate shots.